It sucks. All right, let's try this again. Black Elm Woodcraft here again today. I'm going to do a little project. It's not really woodworking related, but it is something I wanted to try out. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but Cote de Roses. It's a rosé wine. If you look at the bottom of the bottle, it's pretty neat. It's rose shaped. It's a thick, clear glass, but I want to try and make some low balls out of it. So we're going to get a glass cutter, try and score it, maybe use some heat and some quenching, see if we can't get a clean break on it, sand it, make a nice little low ball. It is interesting. So, neat little project. Let's try it out, see if it works. So, of course, a few things we're going to need for this is, of course, the bottle. We have that here. And we have a glass cutter. What I've done is I've just held it in a clamp. That way, when I put it around, I get a nice, clean score on the bottle. And, of course, just a little lubricant to help with that. Let's see what happens. Then I'm going to clamp this one here down at the table, like so. That gives me a good firm grip on everything. We've got our tip right there. I'm going to spray a little WD-40 on it. So, of course, we've got our oiled. I'm going to oil the glass a little bit too, just to be sure. Got our glass cutter held in tight, and move it around a little bit so we can't get a better angle on that. Now, I'm just going to take this and apply a little bit of pressure. You should hear the little cringing. And with a little luck, we should have a full line all the way around. Now we'll move this out of the way. Something's happening. We got it. And there you have it. One perfect low-ball glass. Look at that. It's amazing. Nailed it. Thanks, guys. We're going to try this again another day. Looks cool. I don't think it'll hold any water, though. So guys, remember, Black Elm Woodcraft are woodworkers, not glass blowers, but we try everything. All right, we will catch you all later.